shallower water.
Yeah, you know, and they're pretty small. They don't get very big. You know, they're generally just about that big.
Oh, really?
So, yeah,
I think the biggest one I've seen.
we don't see them in here that often.
They're pretty thick, though.
Yeah.
But, if we see them, I've seen them in areas over there where it's shallower, but today we actually saw a few waves come through, so I don't think we're going to visit that area.
Yes.
I don't know if I was really asking to see one or just trying to impress you guys.
I was impressed.
Well, yeah.
I was
heard,
impressed.
Yeah, some.
That's the second longest name in the Hawaiian language for a fish.
I want to see a
That's not the
Hoopensteiner.
longest.
Now, the first one's the Lau Willy Willy Nuku Nuku Oi Oi.
Yeah.
That's a syllable.
Of course. Why, of course.
Which
That's
is
right.
the long-nosed butterfly.
What's
It
really
means
cool
the
about that?
longest fish name in Hawaii.
The longest
Turtle.
Oh, there's a turtle.
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 Turtle's
Where?
laying.
Where?
Over
We can't see
there.
it from this angle.
That
I'll see
way.
what I can do.
Oh yeah, there he is. He's
Come on,
walking out.
Captain. Get us over the turtle.
Just say cha when you see him, Dave.
Okay, I turned my phone on. Wait a minute.
We're going to see turtles. We have a lot of them down here.
SEA turtles.
Photo.
Yeah, the thing about fish in Hawaii and their crazy names is the Hawaiians are extremely descriptive when they made it. So, like the hulu hulu, that fish is, that means stitched together fish with the face of a pig. That's what it translates to in Hawaiian.
With the face of a
The face
pig.
of a pig, yeah. Look at the
Stitched
face.
together fish with the face of a pig.
So if you like look at a picture of one, they have these lines and those separate colors on the fish. It looks like it's stitched together, and then
How cool.
Oh,
and
there it is.
it's got a big face. And it grunts.
She's like right there.
Get back over here,
Your
turtle.
baby.
That's not even the best.
He's over there
descriptive
now.
one.
Are you watching, bud?
Yeah, you guys make a good time there.
Oh, he's right down the surface. Look, he came up next to me.
Yeah, you did.
Watch, he's gonna stick his face up. That's how he takes the breath, because he's gotta breathe air, see? And that's just an adolescent turtle. It's a teenager turtle. Yeah. Yeah, all the turtles that you're gonna see in Hawaii are generally adolescent turtles, because the adult turtles go into adoption. They don't live. But they're born about 750 miles that way.
Wow.
Yeah, probably on the so Hawaiian Islands, you know, reach out over 1,000 miles all the way to Midway. So if you look, Midway Island is part of the chain. Okay, and once you get past the 8 major islands, you know, and that's Kauai and Niihau, all the way to the end of the chain.
Yeah.
The other islands are called the French Frigate Shoals. Those are no one lives on them. There's no houses. They're just trees. It's all sanctuary, bird sanctuary,
Oh,
fish.
really?
That's where the seals, Hawaiian monk seals are.
They just extended
where
that
most of them-
sanctuary too. They made it bigger.
Yeah, Obama just came through and made it way bigger, all the way out to Midway. And
Oh, really?
but
Just one swoop with his finger.
yeah, the turtles are born there, and then when they're about 5 years old, they swim here. And they live in these shallow reefs like this because there aren't any predators.
There aren't any predators to eat them.
There are no sharks, tiger sharks.
That's what eat them.
That's what eat them. A tiger shark will eat a turtle shell.
Really?
Yeah, they.
Wow, look at
yeah,
that.
No problem.
Look, buddy, look at the fish
Look at
down
all
there.
the fishes,
A
bud.
lot of those guys, raccoon butterfly fish.
But look right down here. There's a bunch of little family of little
There's
fish.
some yellow
See?
tangs. Yellow tang.
What's a tang?
It's a surgeon fish actually.
Those yellow ones?
Yeah.
The all yellow fish there is the yellow tang. Most common fish you'll see out here. Just yeah, bud.
I saw one of those snorkeling,
Yeah.
but it's pretty mucky.
Yeah.
It is.
And you know what? The wind shifted, so in about a half an hour to an hour, it's gonna be pretty mucky out here.
Yeah, you guys picked
Will it be cleaner in there?
No. Well, that's just the way it is. When the island, there's a turtle right. Let me just go. I'll try to go in front of us. When the island heats up, in most tropical areas, the island heats up during the day, and then the winds shift to an onshore breeze. When that happens, you lose visibility in the water.
It'll
Just get stirred
choppier.
up.
Yeah, it gets choppier out here and just stirs it all up. So you picked a good time. Earlier is
Yeah,
better
it's
for
still
this.
really clear.
Yeah. If you see it starting to get real choppy in here, that's when it's.
Oh, there's a turtle right there.
See him?
Yeah. Right
Yeah,
there.
bud.
See him?
Way clearer than in there
Wow.
snorkeling.
Yeah, you don't have to do as much work because you see how far off we are.
He's right over, right under you.
Really?
It's under me.
Yeah.
This maybe smells me.
I know we're looking for circles, but there's a pretty good view of one of the sea urchins out here, the red one.
Oh
It
yeah.
has the lipstick urchin